You know what question I hear more than any other? What is ClickFunnels? Well, today I'm going to answer that. What's up? It's Mark K, host of The Mark K Show. You may have heard me on the radio. You may have seen me on the internet. You may know me from my Snapchat talk show, Talk and Snap. I don't know where. You may not know me from Adam, but that's okay. Back in October of last year, I was invited to Boise, Idaho, to ClickFunnels headquarters to become a member of the official ClickFunnels speaking team. I know. Thank you very much. And when I got home, I immediately put it all over my bio and on my LinkedIn and on my Facebook and my Twitter and everywhere I could. I said, now I'm a member of the ClickFunnels speaking team. And so many people reached out with the same exact question. What the heck is ClickFunnels? So today, I'm going to answer that. Let me show you. Here is ClickFunnels. Well, this isn't actually ClickFunnels. This is the screen you get to when you're logging into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, guess what? You can go here and sign up for the free demo. If you do have an account, no problem. You just log in and bada bing, bada boom, all of a sudden, you're at your ClickFunnels dashboard. Now, up here will be a photo, not of you, or not of me, but of you, unless you're one of those creepy people that wants to steal my identity, in which case you could probably find this picture online and put it up there. Mark K, there's my name. I'm a Wanderer funnel builder. That's just a cute name way of saying, I don't know what that means, but it's cute. Here I am. I'm at level 15. I guess I need to do some work before I get to level 16. And then this is all the information about what's accessible to me with the current account level that I have. I have an unlimited account, so I have an unlimited number of contacts. I have an unlimited number of visitors I'm allowed, unlimited number of pages and funnels. That's all the information right there. Money that I made in the last 30 days, 631. So far today, 118. Over here, you'll see the gross revenue. For the day, it's $33.99. For the week, it appears to be $167.98. It's kind of a slow. I'm not really promoting anything right now, but this is exactly where you go when you log in. And look, there's other cool stuff here too. You can start a new funnel. You can get a Funnel Hacker t-shirt for free, which is amazing. You can join the One Funnel Away Challenge, Funnel Builder Secrets. These are all tools and exceptional resources to help you build your online business and to build really profitable and exciting funnels that people are going to love. Now, back to the question, what is a funnel? That's a great question. And I'm going to show you by going to a website. Now, a website is not a funnel. Just so you know, a website is not a funnel. A funnel is also not a website. The difference is that when you go to, what am I looking for here? Here we go. When you go to a website, this is one of my favorite websites, and I love, and I'm not knocking on this website, I'm just showing you a difference. This is a website where you go for information. Look, here's all these little things you can click on the top. These are all a bunch of things you can click. And then here's an article, 3 easy ways to make homemade waterproof matches. That's handy if you're ever, in a flood or whatever. Over here, look, there's some ads over here. You can click and get a free gear offer. Down here, there's follow us. There's 1,000 things you can click here. You can click these ads. You can click these links. You can follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Tumblr, Twitter, or YouTube. There's so many places you can go get a free t-shirt. Over here, I need this. How to trim a mustache in 10 easy steps. Man, that's what I need. That's what the ultimate guide to using knives for self-defense. There's 1,000 places to go. Your mind is pulled in every direction. This is more a place to kind of browse and learn. It's not a place to send somebody if you want them to buy something. And that's what a funnel is. A funnel is an online place where you send somebody and they can only do one thing. And that is buy your product or hire you for whatever it is that you do. Let me show you another example. This is a funnel. This is a funnel that I built using ClickFunnels all by myself. Took me like an hour. I built this for my wife's. This is my wife's business, the Pop Girl birthday box. She sells these birthday boxes and they're filled with all this great stuff and they're for tween girls. And if you know, let's say your daughter is going to a birthday party and she needs a present for her friend. Well, you order her a Pop Girl birthday box. We send it out to you. You take that box to the party and bam, your daughter is the hit of the party because you didn't just get her one gift, she got her a box full of amazing things. That's the Pop Girl birthday box. It's only $29. Now you'll notice there's only one thing on this page that you can click, and it's this big button that says order now. There's no social media links. There's no articles. There's no advertising. There's no nothing. It's very simple. This is a funnel. It's designed to get somebody in the top and then funnel them through an entire sales process. And it works like this. Click the order now button. Ta-da! There's the order form. Again, there's only one way you can get out of here. You've got to put in all your information right here. Once you put in your information, you click the complete my order button and you're taken to the next page. Now, The next page you might think is what? A thank you page? Maybe some kind of, receipt? No. The next page is something called a one-time offer. That's the beauty of funnels. That's what makes them amazing and so much different from websites. On a website, if you click an article, you go to an article. On a funnel, when you click a link and you buy something, it's not done yet. It's not over. The shopping experience has just begun. You send them to another page that we like to call a one-time offer. What's my wife's one-time offer? It is 3 more Pop Girl birthday boxes. How great is that? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why in the heck would I want to buy 3 more of the same thing that I just bought? Great question, but think about it this way. When your daughter goes to a birthday party, does she only go to one birthday party a year? Does she have other friends that are celebrating birthdays? Little girls tend to run in big gaggles. They have lots of friends and things like that. And what happens is if you go to one girl's birthday party and bring her a Pop Girl birthday box and all the other girls see it, you know what they're going to ask for from your daughter for their birthdays? Pop Girl birthday boxes. So we offer 3 more instantly at a discount. We ship them to you, and guess what happens next? Next time you have a birthday, you don't have to go shopping. You don't have to go online. You just go to the closet. You've got 3 more Pop Girl birthday boxes there. You grab one, you go to the party, and your daughter is the best friend a girl could ask for. It's a really fantastic thing. Plus, it's so easy to do because we've already accepted the credit card information. The credit card information of the person who bought the first Pop Girl birthday box is locked in here. So if we want to charge them for 3 more, we don't have to ask them for their information all over again. We just simply click the button and they are charged and the boxes are on their way. And it's so easy and so fun and so profitable and it makes life so much easier for your customer. Now, that's not all, because after they take advantage of this one-time offer, guess what? There is another one-click offer, and it is the Pop Girl deal of the day. Check this out. After you buy your first box, after you buy your 3 boxes, you get the Pop Girl deal of the day, which today happens to be an adorable pink donut pop socket for only $4.99. That is a bargain. Of course you're going to click it, and you don't even have to put in your credit card information anymore. And it's only $4.99, and it's so cute and so fashionable and so functionable. Functionable? Is that functioning? Whatever. You want it is basically the whole point. And it's so easy to get. So you click that, and then you go to the receipt. Then you go to the thank you page. Then we put all this stuff in a box. You sit at home, and you wait for this big carton to come from Pop Girl Box with 4 Pop Girl boxes and a pink donut pop socket. Best day ever. This is a great way to over-deliver to your clients and your customers and also dramatically increase your customer value, your cart value, and build and grow your business. That's what a funnel is all about. Now, this doesn't just work for Pop Girl boxes and pink donut pop sockets. It can work for any business, whether you sell soap, whether you sell vape pens, whether you sell, what do you call it? Supplements. Supplements are great because that's a product that needs recurring customers. For example, if you buy supplements for 1 month, you're going to need to buy them the next month. So why not offer 3-4 bottles at a discount? A skincare lotion, clothing. You can set up a subscription service really easily so that you're sending people socks every single month or hair ties or whatever you want. If you sell digital products or coaching, this is fantastic. If you're an author, you start by selling a book. Oh, this is great. You know what? Let me actually show you this because I have an example of this too. This past Christmas, I ran a great promotion for a book I wrote called The Truth About Free Plus Shipping Offers. This happens to be a free plus shipping offer. Revealed the shocking truth about free plus shipping offers. This is a big thing on the internet. You'll see them all the time. People say, hey, just pay the shipping and I'll send you something for free. Well, here I have a video that plays and I have this great workbook that I wrote and it's called The Truth About Free Plus Shipping Offers. All you have to do is put in your name, your email address, your information, click here, and you can order my special report and you just pay shipping. $7.99, we'll ship it anywhere in the entire country. $14.99, we'll ship it anywhere in the entire world. It's such a bargain. That's not all. Once you order your free report, guess what? You get a one-time offer. Wait, it's right here. This is the first one-time offer. This is for my signature program called 1,000 Shows. Now, I know that people who are offering one-time offers probably want to know how to advertise them, probably want to know how to use social media to reach out. So for just $100, I'm offering them my signature program called 1,000 Shows and VIP access to our coaching group for a month. And it's only $100. And it's so easy to do because all you have to do is click the big orange button. Since we've already captured your credit card information, guess what? It takes no time at all. You click, you win, you get the information. We get a new customer, you get information that you need, and we've established a really fantastic relationship. I get increased customer cart value, you get more knowledge, and you go out there and you kill it. But that's not all. I then offer something really high value for $400. It's unlimited membership to my monthly VIP coaching group. This thing costs $100 a month. So for the price of only 4 months, you get unlimited membership, meaning you'll never have to pay another dime again. And it's so easy to do because I built it in a funnel and not a website. There's only one option. There's two, really. You can click and take it, or you can say, no, thanks. Just give me the stuff that I already bought. That's it. That's why funnels are so important. And that's why they increase your value oh so much. And that's why I'm so excited to share ClickFunnels with people and to be a member of the ClickFunnels speaking team. Now, as an official member of the ClickFunnels speaking team, guess what? I'm able to make you a fantastic offer. I'm able to offer you ClickFunnels with a free 14-day trial. So let me show you what to do. There's a link. There's a link in the bio there's a link in the description of this video. And if you go to the link in the description of this video, you click it, you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up for a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. You can go in there and start building funnels of your own. You can build one-time offers. You can build multiple one-time offers. You can build thank you pages. You can build webinar pages. You can build membership sites. You can build whatever it is you want. If you want to sell pop sockets and pink pop girl boxes like my wife, albeit. All right, go ahead. If you want to sell cookies, if you want to sell coaching programs, high ticket. If you have an MLM company that you work with, this is a great way to get leads into your funnel and have them begging to work with you and be put in your downline. So again, I'm so proud to be part of the ClickFunnels speaking team, and I'm so happy that because of that, I'm able to make you this fantastic offer. So check out ClickFunnels if you haven't already. Just click the link in the description of this video and get your free trial. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can email me, you can message me. My information is all. You can comment on this video below, and maybe you'll see me on stage one day speaking about ClickFunnels because, as I mentioned before, I am now a member of the official ClickFunnels speaking team. ClickFunnels, it's awesome. You're going to love it, and it's going to explode. It's going to explode your business. Take advantage of it right now.